plowing time. It's time to plant, so we are preparing our land to plant. And since we don't have a fence, I'm trying to plant my organic fence here. As you can see, I'm trying to plant organic fence so that I'm using mbegu rahisi, flowers, just mixture, so that I can have some organic fence here, so that I don't stay at a naked place. I know in Africa people value privacy. Yeah, so I'm trying to plant a fence, as you can see, as we are preparing land to plant. People have prepared their land, but mine, I prefer preparing it last minute so that I plant. I'm also planting flowers. Yeah, these are new flowers. As you can see, these are new flowers. Yeah, I'm planting new flowers. As you can see, new flowers. I love planting flowers on different variety of trees because they make my environment look so cool and look so beautiful. Yeah, it's raining. It's rainy season, so I'm trying to plant more flowers here and there. So as you can see, everything is looking good. Yeah, it's turning green now everywhere in the village here. My onions are back to life. My small fence will draw back to life soon. So we've just planted this organic fence. We just picked the leaves, then we push them down in the soil. So we are waiting because it's rainy to see what will happen. Yeah, so we are planting this fence so that we can have a little bit privacy. As you can see, we need some little bit of privacy. Yeah, so this is it. We just come with this one. Just come with this one here. Let me make it. Yeah, this one. Then we just put it here. Leave it. Put it here again, and leave it for rain. Yeah, it's rainy, so you see my this is our small garden. I'm preparing it as we also plant the fence because we need some privacy, which is very, very important, as you can see. Yep. Yeah, we are making sure our garden is ready so that we start planting. We'll plant some maize and beans here, as you can see. So we'll plant some maize and beans here. It's rainy season, so, and when it's rainy season in the village, we plant everything. We plant vegetable, beans, maize, flowers. Yeah, we planted flowers. You understand? Yeah, we planted flowers and everything. Yep. So we have planted flowers because it's rainy day. These are new. As you can see, we have our new fence. We have our garden is getting ready. Our fence is getting ready. Yeah, it's in the village, and when it rains, it has rained, you have to get out and start working. Yeah.